and upload it. I want to talk about posture today from an education moment. It's something we know a lot about here at Physical Therapy. Just wanted to share a few little tidbits that I like to tell my patients about. Something that I've been seeing a lot of lately is what we are calling text neck. So a lot of neck pain, headaches, those kinds of things resulting from our severely flexed posture doing the texting. So I have a little graphic off the internet that just shows how many pounds of pressure are being put on the ligaments and the muscles of the posterior, the back of the neck, when we do that forward flexed posture of texting. So here's the graphic. So at 0 degrees, which is neutral, we call neutral, I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a minute. 15 degrees, there's 12 pounds, your head weighs 12 pounds, about. 27 pounds at just 15 degrees of flexion, 40 pounds at 30 degrees. These are just estimates, but you get the picture. So 60 degrees flexion, which would be looking at your phone, is 60 pounds of pressure. Our muscles and our ligaments of the neck and the back are not really made to take all of that. So that is why it is better to text or look at Facebook or whatever in a posture that is more in front of you, more neutral spine, and have your arms resting on something as long as you don't have pressure on those nerves. That's great. This is a diagram of good posture. So I like this one. We call it a plumb line. Ear, shoulder, hip in the seated position. Ear, shoulder, hip, knee, and ankle in the standing position is the way that most people's spine is made to be aligned. Another thing I wanted to point out is the posture across here, especially when you're sitting a lot. We don't recommend that people keep their legs crossed a lot, and we don't recommend sitting on wallets. So if you sit on a wallet on one side, you can see that would probably make your spine curved and probably put more pressure on one side than the other. That's another thing that I just wanted to make sure that I spoke about in this video. So texting posture to here, and if you're having headaches, having a lot of neck pain, you probably have very weak neck flexors because they just kind of hang and don't work ever when you're doing forward texts, or just tasks like your laptop or computer work, depending on what you do for work and how you sit all day. We get a lot of this posture school. My college kids, I have a couple of patients right now who are in college, and they just got done with exams, and that's a very difficult time for them. And I remember a lot of neck pain and even back pain then too. So if you have any questions, just comment below, and if you feel like you're having headaches and you're in the Mobile area, come see me. We're offering free headache screens for, a couple more weeks probably, really trying to get a few in before the holidays. We understand people are having a lot of neck pain, and we can offer a lot more education on these types of things to get you better so you can enjoy your holidays. And comment below. Thanks.